Hey Jim, I finally removed the last of this old original ductwork that was underneath my dash on my 51 Olds here, and it was hanging down and interfering with where the throttle is. So I'm gonna try to replace it with this Shop Vac hose here. So here we go. I found this piece in the trunk when I was cleaning everything out. So it is the same size. I assume it goes up under here somewhere. So let's have a look. So we're going to go down under the dash, and you see up here a couple of places for screws, and my part here has spots for screws. So if I put it up there, well, it fits up there. That's where it goes. So I'll put in new screws and I will connect this point back over to the other side there where it's supposed to go with my vacuum hose. Okay, that worked out. It's in place. It's got some new screws, and you can see the vacuum hose, and it goes all the way over and up, and it connects to another fitting like this, and it's the defroster. It's for defrosting the windshield. Okay, so all good there. Now I got to put in this was just sort of floating in there. I haven't figured out exactly how this is supposed to go in. I would like to clean it, but I don't know. Got to do something about the glove box. But that's good, and that's finished. So I think I can clean it out in here and put the front seat back in. Okay, we're all vacuumed up. The carpet's pretty bad, like right here. I had to be very careful because it wanted to just suck up pieces of it. So I've glued some of it back down. And then it's really faded right here. So I think I'm going to try a little bit more of my spray fabric paint and see if I can take some of that fade away. That's pretty good. That's working pretty good. Well, the instructions clearly say do not attempt to go dark to light, but these are stains that don't wash out, so what have I got to lose? I'm going to put on new carpet one of these days. Look at that. That's helping. A little bit. Yeah. Look at that. Better than it was. Ooh, guess my light wants the battery charged. Look at that. All right. The seat's back in. It looks great. Let me see how it feels to sit on our newly stuffed seat. Before, it was like sitting on top of an open bucket. You just sort of fell in. Wow! I'm sitting way higher than before. I can see the the gauges. Before I was sitting down here where you'd be bouncing along like that looking at the gauges. Wow, this seat feels so much better. Better than it was. Thanks for watching.